Hi, my name is Carson Bird with Mighty Dog Roofing. I'm here at 3946 South Basilic Way at Jordan Stott's residence. Here we're going to be doing a shingle repair test to show that once we get into this valley repair, these shingles aren't going to be repairable for his insurance claim. Right behind us is the face that they're going to be replacing. You can see it's pretty worn out, but they're currently not covering any of this side, even though there is a valley tied to it. Let's get into this, and we're going to start replacing this shingle right here, as it's not directly in the valley, but it'll be one that'll be affected when we tear the valley up. First things first, we're going to come through and break the sealant. All right, and then we actually have to break the sealant of the shingle above it as well. And you'll see here in just a moment. We have ample room to get here. If you see, let me grab one of our new shingles here. The reason we're doing that is because one new shingle is the width of two, so we have to take two up to get one out. All right, perfect. Right, so now we're gonna start working our way up, finding the nails, popping them out. See nails here. Pull those nails out. The first row of nails is now out. Now we have to get into the second row of nails above here. Loosen this one as well, so we can get the nail heads all the way out. One more. Awesome. All right. Let's see if we checked and got them all. And we did. Here's the older shingle. It is taken out and gonna need to be repaired compared to a newer shingle right here. See, they're about the same width and same length. Get this back in here. Let's set that right on the side. We're going to start nailing these back in. each of these new shingles, they only need 4 nails compared to the older style that uses 6. So they are a little more efficient to install, especially when you're hand nailing. Here, pause it. Last one. All right. Now here's the tricky one. I've got to get this shingle high enough to be able to hit a nail in here with my hammer. And you can see they're pretty stiff. That's where we run into our brittleness on these shingles, especially while doing repairs. Because you hear you're losing quite a bit of granules from being lifted up. These shingles are a little older. They need 5 nails to be included. And then the last nail is right over here on this guy. Now as you can see, when I lifted this one up, it did tear. That is because these shingles are very brittle. You may also notice that there is some creasing going on both of these shingles that have to be lifted up. You can see right there.
Another tear right there.
So, the lifespan of these shingles, they get torn when they get up here because they're very brittle. So when you get in to do this repair, you're going to start causing a lot of damage in this area from these brittle shingles. Thank you for watching, and tune in for more.